Remember this tweet? Well, yeah, it was turned into an NFT and it sold for over $2 million. But recently, it was auctioned and sold for just 500. And no, I do not mean 500 million or 500,000. I mean just regularly $500. And from Google's analytics, it showed that NFTs, the term, has dropped drastically since the beginning of this year. Oh yeah, there's something more. We're in an NFT bear market. So this all adds up to only one thing. Are NFTs dead? I bet we've all seen NFTs or something related to an NFT post drastically drop in our social media posts, maybe even in the news.
What did he say?
And it kind of supports the term NFTs are dead. But in my opinion, NFTs aren't dead.
What did he say?
Just the hype around it is dead. This might be a forever dip, or it might be just a little dip and you can cop some NFTs right now.
Sonic says, if you're ever feeling like an idiot, just remember, people actually buy NFTs. Like, bro, I just screenshotted your $50,000 piece of art, and now it's mine. Dumbass. See you next time on...
And basically just buy the dip and hold for massive gains. I would say it's a bit risky to choose on that decision, but if there's a really good project and you've gotten whitelisted for it, I definitely recommend buying it. NFTs aren't really being used for the purpose they were created. I mean, you can literally just get an app or maybe QR code it, scan it with your phone, and then get into the place. Or maybe just buy it with like tickets and stuff. I mean, prove me wrong, but there's much more simpler ways of using, but you don't have to teach them how to buy an NFT, get money on their blockchain, whatever, just like that, and make it a whole complicated space. Instead, just get a camera, a QR, and just scan it and sign up or just buy it, whatever. Instead, they're being used as Coachella NFT passes for music events. I mean, this is one of the utility, but what happened to like the houses versus of it, and then the cars one? Then maybe like you get Bored Ape Yacht Club's NFT. I haven't really heard of Bored Ape Yacht Club in the news recently. And one of the main reasons NFTs were so hyped up was because of how many people were actually making money from it and how much new money was actually circulating into the markets, as well as how many of these JPEGs, these monkey NFTs were
What did he say?
honestly selling for. Everyone was getting FOMO and they were like, I see this dude making $1 million, so let me hop in. I can make easy bank for this. And it didn't matter if you knew anything about Web3 or crypto. Everyone wanted to make some sort of money, and once they saw that type of posts on TikTok and Instagram, they were like, how do I get into NFTs? I want to get into NFTs. And they'll be like, it's stupid, blah, blah, blah. But it'll create much more controversy and much more people eventually getting into the space. And there's a lot of people that then realize NFTs are not always 6 figures and 7 figures. So as soon as they figured out that, they're just going to dip off to the markets and run away. Another thing about NFTs is they're not meant to be used in the way they're created. I mean, we don't need like 50 crypto games of NFT projects. We don't need 50 staking NFT projects. There's not really that many NFT projects that are coming out that are revolutionary. Instead, they're all just copy and paste projects of the same thing we've probably seen. So it's very hard to find new projects, and I think maybe 99% of projects are scams. I bet you probably heard of that, but I have to say it again because it's true. I mean, look how many people have gotten scammed in NFTs and crypto in the whole. It's not regulated, so government can't really do anything other than just be like, oh, it's not our fault. And then, yeah, you just get scammed, lose all your money. People then start trash about NFTs, influence it. But yeah, why would NFT collections want to be introduced into companies, big companies, and then the big companies are going to have to introduce a new complex way of making their customers or audience buy their NFT while they could just scan it with the QR code. I know I'm an NFT, I talk about NFTs and I love them, but I'm just stating all the facts here and make my opinion on this if NFTs are dead or not. But gaming NFTs are really, really good in my opinion. Like StepN, I bet you probably heard of it from this guy, VeeCon. He actually brought a lot of hype around it, but I think StepN is actually a really, really good crypto game because of the way it was introduced. But like VeeCon stated in his video, by the way, this video was inspired by VeeCon and a couple of other YouTubers. Thanks to them, I'm creating this. But yeah, VeeCon actually introduced a problem with it, that if there's no new money circulating in the app and no people are buying NFTs, then the app would probably go down and their coin crypto would go down, just like the NFTs are right now. Not that much new money is coming in circulation for the NFTs, and from OpenSea and stuff, from new people ever since last year. So it's going down, and that's why we're probably in a bear market. And the only reason we're in a bull market was because all the hype that was in from social media and other people. And back on the games talk of NFTs, Steam, one of the biggest PC gaming platforms, actually banned anything to do with crypto or NFTs because they don't want people going and buying NFTs on a different platform and redirecting them from their own company or desktop app. And then also on top of that, the players don't even want anything to do with NFTs because they're already getting their money spent on by them by buying things that are included like in the game. But onto the metaverse, bro, Mark Lizard, bro, where is the metaverse? Like, honestly, you announced it, but there's so many metaverses out here. No one knows the main one. So there's going to be hundreds of metaverses out there, and it's basically just a VR reality. I'm not even gonna lie. You just added VR, added some cool effects, and just slapped that metaverse name on top of it to make it sound cool and get more people into your metaverse / VR reality. But yeah, metaverse, when you're rolling out, and the post Sandlot thing, like buying plots of land, I mean, I totally get that, but it's taking a very, very long time, and I understand. I'm still gonna have patience, but bro, it's been like 2 years, and they're losing a lot of potential audience and potential customers when they're not releasing, and there's so many delays. But yeah, I'm not trying to talk trash about crypto or any of that. I'm just stating the facts, like I said before. For order the metaverse to succeed, they're gonna actually have to roll out with something new. I mean, in Saudi Arabia, they're already rolling out things where you can feel and touch things and just feel like a real reality. And Mark has been over here talking about some Oculus shit. And while you're paying extra gas fees, hundreds, even thousands of dollars worth of gas fees, when you can use a simple QR code or maybe just buy a ticket online with a $1 fee. So that's another big problem right now. But I know ETH 2.0 might fix that. We don't know a full answer on that, but hopefully it does. That'll solve a big problem with NFTs already. With all that being said, NFTs, I think, have a good part in Web 3.0. They're definitely going to take some time to develop fully and actually to understand their full potential. And it's going to take another couple of years to actually develop into the things that they're used to be meant for, instead of these QR codes copy and paste, or mostly into a more complex way of buying your NFTs and everyone just screen coming all over your NFT.
What did he say?
Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Peace.